So how we can add a supplier invoice on FreshBooks? From drop-down box there is bill category, and this is where we can pre-fill details based on invoice what you have received from supplier. For example, from Run Fast Limited, I received an invoice on, let's say, 13th, and due date is 30th of April. Use this information from actual invoice what you have received from supplier. Bill numbers, this is supplier invoice number details. We can attach file by selecting a file. So for example, I have a PDF document, click open, add lines. So I ordered let's add a category. There will be supplies, quantity 100, and rate, let's say £8. Add a line. Okay, and on right hand side we can select a different currency if this invoice if we have received this invoice in different currency. If you are happy, click save. A new invoice will be recorded under bill section under expenses